Hello guys. So today Tuhina's world's topic is depression. Depression is a very common word. Depression is mental pain. Mental pain is less dramatic than physical pain, but it is more common and also more hard to bear. Depression is the most unpleasant thing that I have ever experienced. So it is common for me also. You know, depression is the worst feeling. You can't express to anyone, and people never understand this, that depression is not about the outside, it's about the inside. Here we will see that definition of depression, types, causes, clinical features, diagnosis, evaluations, treatments. What is depression? It is a mental health disorder characterized by persistently depressed mood or loss of interest in activities causing significant impairment in daily life. Types of the depressions are mood regulation disorder, major depressive disorder, dysthymia, premenstrual depression, substance-induced depressive disorder due to another medical condition, atypical depression, bipolar disorder, postpartum depression, seasonal affective disorder. Causes are drugs, genetics and biology, physical health problems, brain chemistry imbalance, poor nutrition, stress, traumatic events. Signs and symptoms of depression: persistent feelings of sadness, loss of interest in activities, trouble sleeping or oversleeping, appetite or weight changes, fatigue or decreased energy, difficulty thinking, clarity or quickly, irritability, frustration, physical aches and pains, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide. Diagnosis evaluations are history collection, mental status examination, ICD-10 criteria. And treatments are psychotherapy, family or couple therapy, hospitalization, self-help strategies, medications. Okay guys, so after knowing all these things, we can say that depression is living in a body that fights to survive with a mind that tries to die. You know, depression is a battle you fight every day. You never stop, never get to rest. If you know someone who is depressed, please resolve never to ask them why. And it is that feeling when you are not necessarily sad, but you just feel really empty. So always try to stay positive even when it feels like your life is falling apart. Be happy in your life. Whatever you have, be happy with this.